What's up, y'all? So, gonna finna have me cooking some sinigang. Gang. Okay, so we in the store we got the baby cabbage.
Yeah, this is the last one. Is it baby cabbage?
Yeah, the Chinese
We
cabbage.
call it pechay in the Philippines. Yeah.
She said we're
That's
gonna
one of her
eat
favorites. So we're gonna cook it
We're
here.
gonna cook.
Yeah.
So, I mean, when I was in the Philippines, my favorite things, top things were adobo, sinigang, magluto, all that stuff. So, sinigang, you can't go wrong with it. And we got the tomatoes and the onions. So yeah. But then we'll have a twist with it. She's gonna step by step walk me through it, so
Yeah.
I know and have a better understanding of how to prepare this. You know, it's gonna be times when I'm gonna have to do it.
Yeah.
So, you know, for our Filipino guests. Yeah. So yeah, let's do it.
So, ang first step na ginawa namin guys is sinugasan lang namin yung manok. Ayan guys, minahugas ko lang kay Jowa. And kung makikita nyo guys, tuwan-tuwa siya, diba? Enjoy na enjoy siya sa paghugas ng manok. So, after ng hugasan guys, ayan, hiniwa-hiwa ko lang. Kung makikita nyo, may hiwa-hiwa na rin yung manok. Sinundan ko lang yan. And then, ito nga palang sinigang na gagawin ko is napakasimple lang guys. Kasi ang hirap palang hanapin ng mga ingredients dito sa Amerika. So, bago pa lang kasi ako dito guys, 3 days pa lang ako nyan guys. Kaya, naghanap-hanap lang ako ng pwedeng ilagay sa sinigang kasi ni-request niya to. So, yan guys, hiniwa-hiwa ko lang yung kamatis, katulad ng ginagawa natin, di ba? Parang di ka naman nag-aral. Joke lang. So, ayan guys, hiniwa-hiwa ko lang. After ko nga nakat yung mga kamatis guys, ayan, sinunod ko naman yung sibuyas. Ayan, meron ako dito isang red onion. After ko nga hiwain yung sibuyas kamatis guys, ayan, sinunod ko na rin tong pechay. Ayan, isa na lang pala tong nakita ko guys. Ang hirap pala maghanap sa Asian market dito sa Amerika guys. Hindi ko agad makita kung saan yung mga gulay. Kasi sobrang bago pa lang ako dito. So ayan, huhugasan lang natin ng maigi yung pechay. And syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala sa ating sinigang ang ating Knorr sinigang mix. Ayan guys. Syempre, ayun yung pinaka main ingredients ng ating sabaw. Soup.
I just gotta show off this pot though. Look at this pot, you guys.
Yeah.
So, yung mga time na yan guys, yan, tinuturuan ako ni Jowa kung paano gamitin tong lutuan nila guys. Kasi hindi ko pa alam to, kaya ayan, tinuturuan niya ako. At ngayon nga guys, ayan, sinalang ko na yung sibuyas. Ayan, ginisa-gisa ko lang yan guys. And then, nilagay ko na rin yung kamatis. Ayan, hinayaan ko lang muna silang magisang maigi.
She's cooking. Always. It's always the hand in the back. If you ain't got no girl put her hand behind her back, she ain't putting that work in.
At ayan guys, sinama ko na rin yung manok. Ayan, ginisa-gisa ko lang yan guys. And then, tinakpan ko and hinayaan ko lang siyang maluto ng konti. Then after ilang minutes nga guys, ayan, naglagay na rin ako ng tubig. Ayan, sa sabaw natin. Ayan, hinalo-halo ko lang guys.
So we're gonna let that simmer a little bit.
Yeah. Ayan, ngayon naman guys, ayan, binuksan ko na yung patis and ilalagay na natin sa ating sabaw. Ayan guys, para magkaroon na ng lasa. So, naglagay lang ako dyan guys, sinansya-tansya ko lang. So, after ko maglagay ng patis guys, sinunod ko na rin tong sinigang mix. Ayan guys. So, kung makikita nyo guys, sinanong ko pa siya niyan guys kung gusto niya ba lahat ilagay ko. So, sabi niya lahat daw, gusto niya daw maasim. Then, after ko nga malagay yung sinigang mix guys, ayan, hinalo-halo ko lang ulit. So, after ko nga mapakulo ng konti guys, ayan, tinikman ko naman siya kung tama na ba yung lasa. So, ayan, kung makikita nyo, nilagyan ko lang siya ng konti pang patis. So, after ko nga tikman guys, ayan, nakatikim na rin si Jowa. Ayan, hindi na rin siya talaga makapag-antay. May pa-comment pa talaga. And finally guys, ayan, luto na rin ang ating sinigang. After ko ang maluto guys, ayan, pinatikim ko na rin sa aking mother-in-law. Ayan guys, first time niya makakatikim ng sinigang. And ayan yung reaction niya guys, panoodin nyo.
We can also use pork, but we don't have the different sinigang mix.
Yeah,
so
Ma, they
that's
have a different
why
one.
we're supposed to use the pork.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What wrong with y'all? What is wrong with her?
Oh, with you. Hey, you try different cultural food. Hey,
It's good.
Yeah.
I'm just getting it where I need need it to my taste.
Let's see how you act with adobo and natutu.
Girl, go ahead on. Leave me alone. I'm eating the mess. What you talking about? I'm eating the soup. What is it? What is it? Soup? Soup. I had pepper pot yesterday.
That's
Oh,
different.
that's probably different. Yeah, that's different.
Yeah.
So now I got sour soup.
Different parts of pork, something. Pork. I know
This
a
one.
lot of foreigners when they tried it for the first time, their face is like, oh.
I like it. I was confident. I know if it's I just naturally.
You did like to eat them.
And syempre, yan naman si Jowa, guys. Ayan, tinikman niya na rin. And sarap na sarap talaga siya sa sinigang. Yeah, you put some hot sauce in your food.
What is the matter with you?
That's the best part.
I don't want no more of this.